Hi there, YouTube. If you like fishing, don't forget to go support Skunk City. He have a page in Facebook, and a lot of people in there that giving like good tip and fishing report. Let's say that if I go to this place here and fish active, and they always tell you where to get the fish at. Okay. And Skunk City page in Facebook. Alright, go support him. He's a nice guy. I have 2006 Chevy Silverado 2-wheel drive. Today I'm going to replace upper and lower control arm. Okay, and hopefully something that's very simple and everybody can follow through. The reason I'm replacing the control arm is because after I replace the shock, and the car still have some bouncings around. So I know that the control arm here have a bushing inside here. Upper and lower have a bushing. And sometimes your bushing is not good, then this control arm does not holding the level. And when you attempt to have bouncing, it's not just the shock by itself. So the control arm actually holding just like the spring and the shock. And I know that the spring probably is not the problem, and I'm pretty sure that is the control arm. And not just that, upper and lower control arm ball joint is terrible bad, and if I don't replace it, it can be break any day. Okay, so that's why I'd rather just replace the whole control arm. You got all the benefit, and if you order online, it's not that expensive. You can order the whole set for around $200–300 to see where you get that. What website you get it from, and depend. It can be expensive, it can be cheap. So let's take this out, this clip that holding the ABS or wheel sensor, and I will unplug up here. Plugs out, then hang like that, and I will take down the upper control arm and fix the upper, and then I will do the bottom. So I'll put some more right there, so when I put it back, I just want to make sure this go back to the same spot. Definitely you have to get alignment, because when you take this out, alignment is definitely going off. So just do it when I can drive to the alignment shop to do alignment. That's all. I'm going to lose this bolt right here, and this is number 18 for metric. I'm not sure what size is standard, but for metric it's just 18. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that, and I tap it with the hammer to see if I can split that. Okay, on this you can press or you can hit it. It doesn't hurt. See, now pop already. So one more on the steering tie rod. I'll hit them right here. One hit, that's it. Pretty easy on this one. See how bad it is? This is about coming out already. Terrible, terrible. It's not good. Okay. I think this is the easier way, because I did on the other side. I did not move a lot of stuff. Now I'm moving the everything here, including this. If you can drop this sway bar down and out of the way, so you have plenty of room right here. But I'm still not taking down, and I think this is easy enough already. And I put the two spring compressor on side to side like this, so it is like evenly compressed, so that makes the stress of the truck is easier, and that's why I think this is the better way. So for you guys want to do out there, you can do like this, taking everything out and doing this way, so you will compress all the way down, and when you load it, it's easier. So just take this out first. I don't know why they put this on this side, but kind of harder to take them out than you put this way. Maybe that's how the way they design it. I don't know. Okay, on this right here is the 24. You can use a socket or you can use a wrench like this. Okay, it doesn't matter. As long as you get it loose, then you're good. The same thing this side. With the power tool, a lot faster work. Okay, just put my control arm. You can see that this is bearing, this ball joint is very bad. Okay, so time to put the new one. The upper control arm, it doesn't matter which side, it's the same. So but in here have little grease, so I'm going to add some more grease inside the little boot right here for I would say for better lubricating in the long run. I don't know why they don't put any grease in there. Oh, then I'm going to put more grease inside here. See that? Not much grease in there. We'll put the rain it. If you can, you know, load, tighten your straps down like this, much easier to put it back because you don't have a lot of tension, so you just slide in and to fit. Okay, so like that. Okay, now you can jack the jack to it. You can spray a little bit W40 to lube right here so it won't turn. Okay, like that. If you don't clamp this low like this, you have a struggle to fit inside there, and you know, you have a hard time to push this spring to the cap here. So that's why you have to clamp this down, so make your job much easier. And the bottom here, this bolt here, it's 130 foot-pound. It's a size 24. Even though you do more than 130, it should be okay. Okay, so just enough torque, You can do, if you don't have a torque wrench, you can go renting one, or you can buy a cheap one from Hubbard. For one-time use, you can buy anything from online, and I would say renting is the easiest one. So 130 on this. Okay. All right. Okay. Same thing here. 140 foot-pound. Okay. All right. Okay. Make sure you torque the nut on the lower bar joint here at 92 foot-pound. I would say 100 is be fine too, because it's big nut. It's a 20. This is 24 nuts. So even though you put 100 on it, it won't do any. Let's see. Okay. And the one up here is 37 foot-pound. You can do 40. I don't think that would be any problem if you do 40 on it. Okay, the upper one. And I'm going to do a 37 foot-pound on that. Okay, that's good. All right, and everything else ready to put it back on the road. So the other side is I'm not going to show you in a video, but on this side here, I think it's not going to be any different than the other side. So okay, a lot of mess. So it's not something that is too difficult. You can't do it, but you have to have a good side of the wrench. So such as like 24, 20, 18, 24. It's a big socket, and you do. If you don't have a half inch of wrench like this, it's kind of hard to do it, because you have a big socket like 24, and normally 24 doesn't have a 3/8, so you have to have a half of this. And a lot of tools to required to do a big job like this, but nothing you can't do it. I can say that is take a lot of manpower. If you have a friend that can helping you, easy. If you do it by yourself and you never done it before, you can try it, but I would recommend that if you never done it before, and you're not handyman, don't touch it. It's a danger, because the way the shop is set up, you have to have a shop spring holder to hold it. Otherwise, you can't really load the lower control arm into it. And that's it, the end of the road. And thank you for watching, and please help me subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.